Welcome back to Kindergardening. Today our garden word is tool. 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 It's tool time anytime you use a tool, and today we're going to talk about a lot of different tools. Most of the time when we think of a tool, we think of something that we hold in our hand that makes a job easier. You can see several examples here: hammer, hatchet, saw, screwdriver. Those are all tools. The garden uses different tools, but you use tools every day in a lot of different things that you do. Here's an example of a tool that a baker uses. This is a rolling pin. It's a tool for a baker. If you go to the dentist, the dental hygienist or the dentist might use dental floss on you. For them, dental floss is a tool. You use a pretty fancy tool in your class, your iPad. You can see here with a butterfly on it, there are so many things that you have learned using your iPad. It's a tool for your education. Back to the garden, here is a wheelbarrow, which is a tool to haul material, filled with all sorts of tools. Shovels, and a rake leaning against it, a garden fork, hand tools, gloves, all sorts of things. Here is a flat-ended shovel that I used just today to dig a hole to plant a rosemary bush in. After putting the rosemary bush in the ground, I used the watering can to sprinkle the plant with water. A garden hoe like this would be used to draw across the ground. It makes a little ditch, and in that ditch you'll drop your seeds. This three-pronged cultivator is used to even out the soil. It also can be used to get rid of weeds that you don't want in your garden. Here you can see we flatten things out, make it ready to plant. After evening out the soil and breaking it up with a cultivator, we use the hand trowel, which is like a small shovel, to dig a hole to put in a larger plant or seed. Your garden might have some things growing in it that you don't want. Here is a grapevine that has a couple of sprouts, and we cut them right off with a pruner. Another thing you might want in your garden tool set are a handy pair of gloves. I like these gloves because they not only protect my hands, but they're so cool with those black dots on them. After being all outfitted with your tools, you're ready to go. But I wonder how they do it in Texas. We're going to find out a little bit about gardening down in Houston starting next week.